because one, I think Lucinda is amazing and she's a vessel, but two, the name, The Big Ass, so bold, so bodacious. Love it.
I'm here at the Big Ass book launch for Lucinda Cross. I'm so excited to be here. My name is Yakima Deloach, and Lucinda has always touched me. She's always been a motivator, inspirational speaker, and to just hear her motivate me and invigorate that fire in me that I need, I had to be here tonight to motivate myself and get ready for my big ask, because my big ask is I need to put myself out there. I need to follow up with my brand and be the motivational speaker that other people need. I'm a breast cancer survivor, diagnosed at 31 years old, and I need to get out there. I need to push my own self the way that I push the girls that I mentor. So thank you so much, Lucinda. I love you, and congratulations.
When you say fast, it sounds like a big congratulations on your growth and where you've come from to where you are now and where you're going. Not just that, but also all the women and the men you're taking with you, with this book, with your speeches, with everything you do, the positive light you share with everyone. Congratulations on being you.
I actually learned here at the Big Ax to don't be afraid of asking anyone about the dreams you want to accomplish, because anything is possible.
This is such an awesome event. Don't be afraid to ask.
You better.
Yes. What's your big ask?
I tell you, I'm about to marry her again. That's my big ass. Right, baby?
Hi, everybody. This is your girl Sabria, your brand visionary, web and graphic designer. I am here at the Big Ass for Lucinda Cross. She is my mentor, my big sis. I am truly excited. I've been waiting for this moment because at the end of the day, no matter where you are in life, you can never stop learning. I'm always growing. I'm always looking for more ideas. And this book right here is about to be my ticket to my next level. If you didn't get it, I suggest you hop up on it. The Big Ass.
Hi, my name is Goldie, and my big ask was to ask for a husband, number one. Number two, to get my settlement money that is deserved to me. Number three, I ask for God to give me more strength through my disability to help people, to let people know that they can ask for help. Mental illness is really heavy out here, and we as black people keep it to ourselves. So if it wasn't for me asking for help, I wouldn't have got the help that I had for the last 7 years of my life. So ask and you shall receive. Not on your time, but on God's time. Amen.
I'm so proud of Lucinda on this event, The Big Axe, and her new book. My big axe is to basically to walk in my purpose, to live without fear, and to live my best life. I'm looking forward to moving to LA to pursue my dreams, and I'm sure that this book is going to help me. Congratulations, Lucinda. So proud of you.
Oh my God, my big ask is that Lucinda Cross becomes the upgrade of the Ayanna Van Zandt of our time. You're already that. She's amazing, dope, inspirational, and her journey is one that can move mountains for anyone who's really listening. I'm so proud of this book. I'm so proud of what I'm about to learn, what I'm about to experience. It's exciting, and I'm just excited about my friend's journey. The Big Ass. Wow. Congratulations.
Listen, we're gonna be on network television pretty soon with the Youth Empowerment Show.
I am Ada Sanchez, and I am so excited to have attended the Big Ass with Lucinda Cross and to be able to be one of the first to purchase her book. I am one of the persons that dare to ask since the age of 14. So I do encourage you to get your ass up because it does work.
But this is being specific about your goals and your wants and your desires in life and manifesting them, but holding yourself accountable. Not, oh, the universe this. No, you. What are you going to do? What are you asking for?
The Big Ass is needed. It's needed for women who are afraid to just put themselves out there, like you said. We appreciate you. We thank you for providing this platform for everyone.
Oh, Lucinda, I wish you the best. This is going to be on the bestsellers list, so I love you and many more successes for you.
My big ask. What is my big ask? I am open to asking for everything because I believe
You have not because you ask not. So I am asking that I can pray for all of these women in here tonight before we leave. That's my big ask.
My big ask is to evolve my travel business and to help families get out and see the world and build memories. So I want to plan more trips for families so they can get out and see the world.
I need a man. I want to see my career go to a whole nother level. And that's with fashion and art, because I'm an artist too. I like to paint in my free time, and I also like to put outfits together, so stylish.
I believe 2019 to be my year of the big ask. So I'm ready to dive into this book and devour it and get all the tips and be ready for my testimony on the success that your book helped to bring me. So Lucinda, congrats. May your book have sales on sales on sales on sales on sales, and may it bless people with the tools and the tricks to go for their big ask.